So you want to make some extra cash by delivering stuff, but you're not sure which one's worth it? Well, buckle up because I've tested three of the most popular delivery services: Amazon Flex, Instacart, and Evri. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll know which one is right for you, or at least which one won't have you pulling your hair out. First up is Amazon Flex. I know. You're probably thinking, oh, Amazon, they're everywhere. And yes, they are. Flex lets you deliver Amazon packages, but here's the thing: the pay is decent. You get to choose your hours, and yes, you can listen to your podcast and pretend you're a delivery ninja. The downside: traffic. I'm talking about insane traffic, and you can't always predict how long a route will take. So your hourly wage can feel like you're working for peanuts after a rough delivery route. Next, Instacart. Ever wanted to be a personal shopper but without the glamorous fashionista title? Instacart's your gig. You pick groceries, deliver them, and get paid. Sounds easy, right? But here's the catch: it's not just about putting stuff in bags, it's about dealing with angry customers who can't find their organic quinoa. Also, the pay varies. Some days you're making bank, other days you're wondering if you should have just stayed home and binge watched Netflix. And finally, Evri. Okay, full confession, Evri is not as well known as the other two, but it's got its perks. It's a courier service, and if you don't mind picking up and delivering parcels with a lot of smaller shops, this might work for you. The pay is usually more stable, but, and this is a big but, it's more on the grab and go side of things, so don't expect the same level of flexibility in scheduling as you'd get with Flex or Instacart. So which one should you choose? If you want flexibility and can handle some unpredictable routes, Amazon Flex is your best bet. If you're cool with groceries and don't mind dealing with occasional "where's my avocado?", Instacart wins. And for steady, no fuss work, give Every a try. But don't expect to feel like a delivery superstar, it's more about consistency. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Try them out and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments. Thanks for watching, and as always, hit that like button if you learned something, and if you didn't, hey, at least you got a good laugh. See you in the next one.